think my own interest in comparative education started quite young because my family moved around a lot. We moved from England to Canada, and I think I went to 10 different schools, and I was in at least 3 different educational systems during that time. And I came to realise that things are done very differently in different places by different teachers, and there are always, of course, things that are the same in any classroom. And then later on, when I became a student, it became even more apparent. And so my interest in comparative education was sparked very young. But I think what I think is important about it is the way comparing education systems and comparing schools in different countries or different parts of a country can help to make the familiar strange and the strange familiar. So I suppose in a way, comparative education provides a kind of educational laboratory, where different things can be tried out by looking at different systems. You can see what perhaps works and doesn't work, but at the same time, you must be aware of the context, and that what works in one context, in one culture, may not work somewhere else. So it's all about challenging our taken for granted assumptions, I think. And you can seek also to try to identify those things which are universal in an education system, rather than those things in education which are very specific to different cultural contexts. The other thing I've found it most useful for recently is with this drive in different countries for quality, for achieving high quality results, and all the national and international systems that compare educational results. They tell you nothing really about why results might be higher in one place and lower somewhere else, what works and what doesn't work. So the idea that you can just import teaching methods from a higher achieving country and try them out in a different place and they'll work, you can see if you're a comparativist that isn't the case. You really do need to understand the cultural context and why things work somewhere else. Might be to do with something right outside the system, to do with families and the way society is structured. So those are all the things that I find fascinating and exciting about comparative education. I don't think I'll ever lose my interest in it.